welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. This is my first attempt on the Waterdrop technique, and I thought I could do something else with it, and this is what I'm going to show you in this video. First, I have to clean out my mold because there's some glitter or stuff in there, and I use painter's tape to do so. So what I'm showing you here is some chunky glitter and some other like sequins and stuff like that that I want to use in this video. And how I'm going to do that, you'll see now. I'm taking my UV resin and putting some dollops of it into my mold, and I'm putting those little pieces that I want to use just on top of it. I'm not pressing it down and nothing. I just let it lay on top of it and do what it wants to do. And when I'm finished putting those little shapes on there, I will put it under the UV lamp to let those spots cure. And I do that ever so often because I don't want to put too many like liquid spots on there because I don't want it to run into each other. So this is what it looks like when I'm finished, and now I'm putting it another 5 minutes underneath the lamp, and then I can paint. I'm taking my mica powders now, and the first one that I'm using is not a chameleon mica powder. It's just ordinary mica, and you can use any color you like. You don't have to have necessarily chameleon mica powders. Every other mica powder just works as well. In my next video, I will show you other stuff that you can use to paint those molds and those lines other than mica powders. And I hope you be with me and watch it. So my paint job looks like this, and as you can see those little sequins still, and but they glued to the resin that we put underneath, so they won't float at all. I just mixed up some resin and put some black pigment paste in there, and yeah, pouring it over, and this is about it. We don't have to do anything more, but wait till the resin hardens. It's about 12 hours later, and I couldn't wait any longer to demold. So the piece is still a little bit bendy because it's only been 12 hours. And yeah, but I couldn't wait, so I'm demolding anyway. Yeah, and I'm speechless how it turned out. Now look at that. Doesn't that look like those little pieces, those hearts and flowers and stars? They be like on the bottom of those water drops. It's like the other way around where we how we made it. This is fascinating to me, and I think you can do a whole lot more with this technique. So if you like my video, please subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up. I liked it very much. If you haven't already, thank you for that, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye bye.